Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser for your Cubot P50. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here find the app called Firefox and simply install it. When it's ready, open it. Here you can customize it, so pick a theme, choose the toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, sign up to synchronize it with other Firefox using devices, and read the privacy notice. Then click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.